Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our BMW 330i Msport Touring. So this is our 2007 BMW 330i Msport Touring. It's covered just over 113,000 miles. It's got really good service history. And whilst in our care, we've taken care of a few oil leaks, given it a service, fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. We've also had all four alloys refurbished in dark anthracite grey, and we've also put 4 brand new Avons tyres on. This is a 2007 car that's covered 113,000 miles, so there are a few little marks on the bodywork, but nothing that isn't age-related wear and tear. It does also come with the private plate. Inside, got the leather seats, steering wheel controls, full iDrive with sat-nav, air conditioning. It's an automatic gearbox with a 3-litre petrol engine, straight 6 engine. Interior is all in pretty good nick. Again, a little bit of wear here and there, but nothing that's unexpected for a car of this age. Good bit of legroom in the back. And a nice, practical, big boot. These older N52 engines really are awesome engines. Loads of power, great fun, sound fantastic. This really is a very, very nice performance estate car. Ever so fun to drive. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.